Hopefully my eyes won't die this time.
Down.
Knocked up my glasses. Ah. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully my eyes won't die this time.
Go.
Alright. Circuit's connected.
Well, that didn't really fly straight.
I mean, at least the trigger works. Now we can make fins.
Yeah.
Yeah, the trigger works now. Yeah, see? It actually like work the stuff. Get it in the view. So yeah, I guess trigger's finally done.
Where did it go? Let's find it.
I don't know.
Here, hold it.
Me hold it. We lost the shell, but new rocket launcher is good.